Alright, here's date and time to Garmin Furnace 620.
Where are we at? I don't know,
PNC Bank Garage.
In Chicago, Illinois.
Yep.
And I'm here with Chicago Elevators. And yes, and in this video, I happened to meet up with Wisconsin Sirens and Elevators.
You just had to talk over the bell, didn't you?
Oh, that's my bad. Oh yeah, I also got those arrowhead Westinghouse indicators.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm here with Wisconsin Sirens and Elevators, aka Alex, and Sam_star777, aka Sam.
These are small.
And right now we're gonna have the 14. We're also with Dominic, who of course loves to be on camera.
I don't think these motors are original. Too smooth. Oh, check it out.
What?
You can see the floors going by.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can.
Pretty smooth though.
I think are 13 and 14 locked?
I assume so.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess 12's the highest we can go.
Where are those PTO?
Let's see if there's anything interesting out here.
Up.
Uh-oh. Whoop.
As we all know, when a Westinghouse wants to close,
It will close.
yep.
Oh, look at it all labeled. There's
Spain, Italy, France, China.
Yeah, they're all coded by like different countries.
It's the elevator around the world.
So now it's time for a cat view. It's just your basic elevator for a parking garage.
I bet I could stick my pinky through. I don't want it.
Anyways, there's your indicator there. It skips 3 for some reason.
And the button goes out.
Huh. For your fixtures,
Yeah, there's no 3.
Mad BS.
the Mad BS, and your phone is down there. And yeah, see like all of the floors are labeled by countries, as you can see, and it just re-leveled though. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of this thing before it goes into nudge mode. So now we're gonna want to close up. There it goes, and that's it. Okay, guys. So I forgot to mention that elevator 2 is an independent service because it says IS. So yeah, just wanted to mention that.